XXII. We've went through this one a few times over here. This one was picked in the contest, Investors Hangout contest. It's down here somewhere. I know I've seen it. Number 19, 2014 Shelby, up 8%. Okay, so this is based off of this closing price right here, but we went over this one over here also. I said that I thought it was going to go up, and you had a little bit of sideways trading. I'm not sure exactly what the price was. When we looked at it, it was 92. So when we went over this one, we were at right here is where when we were looking over the stock, it was down here the first time. Okay. And look, it did go up. So here you are. You made it through the 20-day simple moving average. Great job. This volume continues and get through that 30-day. Okay. This is what we're going to be doing right now. Get through that 30-day. If it can't, it might bounce off of that. If it can make it through there, it's going to go up. From there up until looks like, yeah, there's going to be some resistance up here at the $1.10 mark. So keep an eye on that. If volume continues, I think you guys can pound through that. You pound through it over here. This was a big day for you guys. I mean, you're sitting on a big support right now. I mean, this was a big turning day for XXII. The reason why is because you got above the 20-day and 10-day simple moving average right now and sitting comfortably above it. So keep that one in mind. Volume continues. I think you guys can make your way up. Volume dropped off over here and the stock went sideways. You see that. So that is all I have to add for XXII. Joe, what do you got?
So there was a press release on December 20th, and it was 22nd Century granted exclusive rights to commercialize industrial hemp plants and medically important cannabinoids that result from the alliance. So the alliance, let's see. So it's a plant technological company that is a leader in tobacco harm reduction, announced today that the company has entered into a proposal for a sponsored research agreement with the University of Virginia, an exclusive license with the University of Virginia Patent Foundation, University of Virginia License and Ventures Group. Over the next 3 years, the company will invest approximately $1,100,000 in this major scientific collaboration with UVA. The goals of the research agreement include creating unique industrial hemp plants with guaranteed levels of THC below the legal limits, thus eliminating the risk to growers of having to destroy non-conforming hemp crops, and optimizing other desirable hemp plant characteristics to improve the plant's suitability for growing in Virginia and similar legacy tobacco regions. So I mean, this company right here, I remember like learning about it like recently. Did we go over this one not that long ago?
Yeah, it was about 2 weeks ago.
Okay. See, they do something. They have some kind of thing where they're able to do the genetics, like a genetic engineering on the nicotine levels of the actual like tobacco plants.
Okay.
Which is big right now. Like I'd have to continue going on, but on their website it says something with the World Health Organization. It's I'm guessing they're participating in this study. It's an global nicotine reduction strategy who study group of plant regulation. So I mean, there's definitely a lot to learn. I mean, they're on the what are they traded on right now? They're on the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah. And that is that.
All
I mean,
right.
I'd definitely look into it more. I mean, it doesn't sound like super appealing, but it's got potential.
Stock ticker symbol XXII. Got anything to add? Head over to investorshangout.com/live to join our live stream.